my dear students. In previous video we have seen examples of division of integers. Now let us see practice set 9. Now let us see question number 1. Solve. Example number 1. Minus 96 divided by 16. So both these numbers are even number and both these numbers are divisible by 4 or 2. So we can divide by 4. So minus 96 divided by 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8, that is 1. We got 16. 4 4s are 16. Now again see in first tables 24 is there. 4 6s are 24. So 4 1s are 4 and 4 6 are 24. Therefore here we got minus 6 upon 1, that is minus 6. See in division of negative and positive number is there, therefore we got negative integer. So here we got minus 6. Now here second example, minus 51 divided by 68. Now see here in which table 51 and 68 is there? In 7th table. So dividing by 17, we got minus 51 upon 68. 17 3s are 51 and 17 4s are 68. Therefore here we got division of negative and positive number, we will get negative integer, that is we got here minus 3 upon 4. Now next in third example, 38 divided by minus 57, and both these numbers are in 19. Therefore dividing by 19, 38 divided by minus 57. So here division of positive divided by negative, that is we will get minus sign. See 19 2s are 38 and 19 3s are 57. Therefore here we got 2 upon minus 3 or minus 2 upon 3. We can give minus sign to any number. Now let us see next number, minus 150 divided by minus 25. See we can divide directly by 25 or we can divide by 5. So in 25's table 150 is there. 25 6 are 150. Therefore dividing by 25. Now here division of same number, that is minus number divided by negative number, therefore we will get positive number. So negative number divided by negative number, we will get positive number, and therefore here 150 divided by 25. 25 1s are 25 and 25 6 are 150. Therefore 6 upon 1 means we got plus 6. Now let us see next question. Question number 2. Write 3 divisions of integers such that the fraction form of each will be 24 upon 5. So here we have fraction 24 upon 5 and we have to find out 3 divisions of integers. Then we will get the fraction 24 upon 5. So we can multiply to numerator and denominator by 2, 3, 4 and so on. So number 1, 24 upon 5 multiplied by minus 2 to numerator also and to denominator also. So 24 into minus 2, that is 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4, minus 48 upon 5 2s are 10 and minus 10. So minus 48 upon 10, and we will get division of negative number, will get positive integer, that is 24 upon 5 after simplification. Now number 2, multiplying by 3, 24 upon 5 multiplied by 3, we can divide by positive 3. So 5 3s are 15 and 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, that is 72 upon 15. Number 3, 24 upon 5 multiplied by 4, we can take negative number, and division of negative number we got positive integer. So 4 5s are 20 minus 20, 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, that is minus 96 upon minus 20, that is after simplification we will get plus 24 upon 5. So these are the 3 division of integers. Now next, let us see question number 4. See the question number 4. The fish in the pond below carries some numbers. Choose any 4 pairs and carry out 4 multiplications with those numbers. Now choose 4 other pairs and carry out divisions with these numbers. So 2 examples are given. See, minus 13 into minus 15, we will get plus 195. So multiplication of any negative number, we will get positive integer. See number 2, minus 24 divided by 9, that is minus 24 upon 9, dividing by 3, we will get minus 8 upon 3. So we have to take 2 numbers or 2 integers, and we have to find multiplication of these numbers. Similarly, we have to take 4 pairs of divisions, and we have to find their divisions. Now let us see example. Let us see example for multiplication. Number 2, plus 13 into plus 9. So multiplication of positive integers, we will get positive integer. So plus 13 into 9. See, 9 3s are 27. 2 carry, 9 1s are 9, plus 2, 10, 11. So here we got 170. Now let us see second example for division. Plus 12 divided by negative number minus 28. So division of any opposite numbers, we will get negative integer. So plus 12 divided by minus 28. So in 4th table 12 and 28 are there. 4 3s are 12 and 4 7s are 28. And therefore here we got plus 3 upon minus 7, that is 3 upon minus 7. Now let us see third example for multiplication. Plus 41 into minus 8. So multiplication of opposite numbers, plus into minus, we will get minus. Now 41 into 8, 8 1s are 8, 8 4s are 32. Therefore here we got minus 328. Now number 4, minus 18 into minus 8. So multiplication of same integers or same sign, we will get plus or positive integer. Therefore 18 into 8 8 8s are 64. 6 carry. 8 into 1, that is 8 plus 6, 14. That is, here we got 144. So here we got positive integer 144. Now next, let us see example for division. Number 3, minus 27 divided by plus 9. So here division of opposite integers, we will get negative integer. Therefore minus 27 upon plus 9 or 9. So in 9's table 27 is there. 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, and therefore minus 3 upon 1, that is, we got minus 3. Now number 4, plus 12 divided by minus 15. So here plus 12 divided by minus 15, division of opposite integers, that is, we got negative integer. Both these numbers are in 3's table. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. That is, plus 4 divided by minus 5, that is 4 upon minus 5. Next, number 5, minus 18 divided by minus 8. So division of same number or same sign, then we will get plus, that is minus 18 upon minus 8, that is 18 upon 8. See 9's table, we can divide by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. That is, we got here 9 upon 4 plus 9 upon 4. So let us see next lesson in next video. Bye. Take care.